Now we're going to make this beautiful Easter door swag. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by taking my Bowdabra. I'll set that up here. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm going to use the silver this time, but you're not going to really see it. And I'm folding my Bowdabra bow wire in half. I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to lay it down into my Bowdabra. And you'll see why I fold it in half at the end when I finish up. So now I'm going to take my 21-inch wide mesh, and I'm just curling it under so that you don't see the fraying. And we're making like a big scrunchy bow here. So all I'm doing is just going down the center of my mesh. So I have about 10.5 inches on each side. Or actually, 10.5 inches. And then I'm just going to keep scrunching this in, but you don't have to measure it. I'm not measuring, I'm just going by eye because it doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm just going to keep scrunching and I'm going to mesh out here and keep scrunching this down in here. And this one actually automatically curled under, so I don't need to worry about seeing any of the fraying. So I'm just going to scrunch this down in there, give everything a good push. Then what I'm going to do is take my fern and, let's grab this here and lay this down into my Bowdabra. This is what I love about the Bowdabra, is how you can lay different florals and lay my flowers down in here. And then take my egg-cited ribbon. I think that's such a cute name, egg-cited. And then I'm going to lay this down in here. And I've already dovetailed the ends, so we don't have to worry about doing that later. And then I'm going to take my lavender, and I'm just going to get it untangled and lay my lavender in this way, and take my other lavender and lay that going this way. And then I take my, this is just sort of a filler flower, and we're going to just sort of shape it as I'm going. And take these and lay these down in here and just shape them as I go. And then I'm going to take my baby's breath and lay this down in here. And I'm I'm sort of shaping as I go. So I'm just going to let that go there. Take my other's baby's breath and lay this down in here. And take my baby's breath here. And again, I'm just kind of shape everything as I go, because I want it to be at different areas in my bow. So, and I like to shape it in the Bowdabra as I'm going along, because it makes it much easier at the end when you're trying to puff out your bow and fluff it out. So now I'm going to take my egg-cited ribbon, and we're going to just leave a little bit here so it doesn't pop out of the Bowdabra. And I'm just going to fold. And again, we're doing a basic fold and twist bow. So I'm just going to fold it over and twist it. And again, the wrong side of my ribbon, or the inside of my, pretty side of the ribbon is on the outside of the loops. And on the inside is the wrong side of the ribbon, or the ugly side of the ribbon. And we're just going to fold this back and forth. So we're just going to do another fold here and twist. And I'm going to just do another fold here and twist. And one more, and this time we don't need to twist, and I'll just lay this down in here. And I'm going to find my Bowdabra wand and just separate my towers. When it gets really full, you sometimes have to use your fingers to separate the towers. So that's normal. And make sure that I have enough here so it won't pop out. Then I'm going to take my twinkling ribbon, and this is a really, really fun glittery ribbon. So if you like glitter, you are going to absolutely love our twinkle ribbon, or twinkling ribbon, because it does twinkle. And we're going to fold this back and forth. And now for those of you who are new to Bowdabra or aren't aware, we have a Bowdabra blog where we have at bowdabra.com, and we have tons of videos and projects and our tutorial section on the blog. And then we also have over 950, at this time of this filming, we have over 950 videos on our YouTube channel, and we have all kinds of videos on our Facebook channel as well. So definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll be notified when we go live. We go live every Monday. So again, I'm just folding and twisting because I want to have the wrong side of my ribbon on the inside of my loops. And fold and twist. So every Monday we have a live, and we're just going to fold and twist this in here. And then I have these really cute little berry, a little berry bush, and we're just going to lay this down in here. And now I'm going to take my wand, and again I'm going to pull the towers out a little bit, give everything a really good scrunch, pull it out, and now I'm going to pull my Bowdabra bow wire and bring it up through here, and then I'm going to pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, so that way I have control over everything. Pull it really tight, you pull it out of my Bowdabra, and again you can see I'm not struggling with my bow because the Bowdabra bow wire is tied before I even take the bow out. And that's what makes the wire so much better than using something like pipe cleaners or anything else. It's just much simpler. So now I'm bringing it around to the back, and I'm going to just tie it really tight. And the Bowdabra bow wire is really strong, so it allows you, what's nice is it's easy on your hands, it's very strong, but and I'm going to actually leave the wire in case I want to tie this onto something. And now I've already pretty much shaped it as I was going, so it makes it so much easier to shape it out now. And then I'm going to just kind of shape this in so it looks like a little flower. Bring the berries into the center, and take this here and bring that, because it looks like a little flower. And now I'm just going to cut this piece here. I don't need all that excess. Let's just cut that and bring my berries in here. And I'm just going to finish shaping. Bring this over here. Bring these flowers down and my fern down. And this is absolutely a perfect Easter door swag that would work really all through spring. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.